Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Catherine. So I've put together this group of easy ukulele songs, perfect for beginners. I'm calling it Easy Kid Songs. So it's 10 songs. Maybe you're a beginner on the ukulele and you're looking for more songs in your repertoire. You want to get a bunch of songs under your belt. Maybe you're a parent. You want to play more music for and with your children. Maybe you're a singer and you're trying to work on strumming the ukulele and singing at the same time. So whatever boat you're in, I'm so happy you're here. I had so much fun putting these together for you. So it's 10 songs. We're not only going to help you be a more creative musician, it's going to help you be more confident on the ukulele. We're going to have fun while we're playing these songs together. And if you want, you can drink wine while you're doing it. Cheers. A note about the songs, these are all in the key of C. They're based around C, F, and G. A couple of them will just have C and G, 2-chord songs, 3-chord songs. We level up a little bit. And for each song, I'll give you a very basic strumming pattern and then a way to level it up. That's what I do. I give you these tools to really help you make the song your own and to start thinking for yourself as a musician. Also, I will help you out with the starting pitch. And just to know, I'm teaching the chords of the song, so we're not playing the melody on the ukulele, but that will be saved for singing, whether you're singing the songs or someone else is singing the song. So we are learning the chords to our Easy Kid Song series. If you're new here, my name is Catherine. I have my master's degree in music. I've taught music to both kids and adults for over 10 years. It's my passion to help you be more creative by playing the ukulele. So I'm super excited to share this series with you, Easy Kid Songs. There's also a book that I've created. If you want to print out all the songs, I've linked that below. I worked really hard on it. I'm really proud of it. So do check that out below if you want printouts of all these songs, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers! Ukulele wine time!